Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
You te cha bet nyina pacho monye standby. Na apart from so bedale star 439 hash. Star 439 hash no select option 6. Now I enjoy Kofi cash out amede ma wano pay and you be until. Bet ubecha no kroma nyina mo fanche me. Ade you pay. Na yankwa homa so na ye ne nya me nua in fact oba teaching mu a statistics pa wa ben change bibia sounds here political analyst social commentator ukọ Kumasi Tenka Investor Center for Innovation Planning
Kumasi
and Development ono na ye the director ewo ho me nua Professor Smart Sapon be me na morning
Kunya Kofi me do asepa no abaso bone affiliations are there mama oh many aje that's it
yeah ngomesi na fomo ntia wa brand wenya we dey nye kokwadru doctor
baby
we a professor bibi techre
oh that's me
you can say the youth are started babitua how do you call it a tour e betting so what is the implication?
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Good. But I say me na Kofi me chiabusuafo agimreti na no pa nyina mo bibiachi adichi ye ni ayate beteki effect enne say enkomo bi edika ba bi atwam etekoda kakra online betting oto anyway ye de na fa ni chacha me name says say di na sesa chacha oya o se boya ye kwako boye bia kotoko bese has ne nkwa won ho betting wo ho
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
ekoso koto bet ye pon a kotoko bese has de enso e bia has ne be di cash first go eno so ho bet wo ene wo bi so a betimi so akwa nanimu a timi akwa kire se go na kotoko bese ne kwa e bia sivinodro ene bese ana se mukwala ene bese eno so ho bet ho but ni nyina ne ye agukansie ho chacha ana se try your luck abatwa na say abaso all the games and football kwa ebi on mo a open tennis eno so timi ko chacha
87.9
bia we ne be wini ana we ne be wini volleyball wom ponko horse racing and all the sporting activities are course we are say ma World Cup course we the boys need the hopa and it is happening almost everywhere maybe ne agura baso sa bre mu de so we are fa na nyina no eno ne agura baso enye Ghana nko we are fa na nyina minim omanya transport betting bi miso bi oba bia
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
obetimi agigi to kakara se na nyina yenim no yegusua e wo form in terms of our tax contribution to our gross domestic product. This year we are doing around 12%. The target is to do somewhere around 18 to 20%. And so you know in terms of abuying a per bia so befa obetimi increase the tax contribution to GDP ni kakra. And sanko mo ifi ase ene yate say take effect. The woman say we bia obeto sa abato ni bi no na so beto sa aka ni bi no
87.9 Kumasi
na we need dia when we need dia buy no ni asem e hono na say mebu no bi so e worried no when we need dia buy no ni asem ba say ugo we ni pe na me wadom na we ni pe so we need me fa say 1000 Ghana cedi abai say ojimu 100 Ghana cedi yeah 10%. So we need ebia 2000 Ghana cedi na abai say ojimu 10% eno ebe 200 Ghana cedi. Like so we need 2000 Ghana there. And so sika wo be
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
800 Ghana cedi. Enti aka ne no a na tax to we ni ho no. Na nka we need 2000 nka wo fa 2000 na dia kofie. And so aban say your income when you bibi yen nyina ye ti we bra ko fi ka ho obi a je ne busu market ya na say income bi e beba onsam bi anu tua ho to say aban say sa income no a wow ti be yi a obedi nkunim no aban be mu 10%. And common FIAC, some people have expressed varying opinions about it. But fundamentally, near Cosumina and I said near Ba, but if one man say,
Akoma FM 87.9
yeah, Ubewini and Abena income be a free honor. Only 1,000 example, na me ma buy 10% across in so only 1,000 just car be so. So we need 5,000 Ghana cedi. Just I buy 500 Ghana cedi. Until when we need 5,000 there. And so the 4,500 10% of whatever you win, no. You see, about the income tax, I buy just to talk about because it's an income. At the abo or mine who brandy, that could be say no pay money.
And then this will be deducted at source. Oh, concotia. No, na this kind of call before somebody use can at film.
Oh yes. It's in America says oh 2 abano. Now we also be winning 5,000, 5,000 baby. Usika so na mumu so na bank account mu na say the kwan mu fa so mu gini bia no afie say ne mra na efi ase no
yeah
e twa ni mu say we need 5,000 to 5,000 e mu 10% be kontie bia obenya 4,500
but prof the man for bisan said the betting company is already enjoying and then yanti says can free the betting company na me mo fa misika pudio de man
because momo so by any so MTN for to until that then MTN for to no enye na ye better free individuals ne ho. The companies are paying what we call corporate tax, corporate income tax and corporate tax. Until near aban eje ho to free adwumayefo no ho no. Eye me fa say so okoto ebia Ghana cedi but uti anye ye we ni nkunim. Eno na baba ye income ama Sajumaku no. Enti aban ene Sajumaku so won hwehwe a omuso mbetu asa income no munya eno so hoto. Enti in any way company no betu income but what the company will pay income tax on no eye ne awo koto ya awanwi ni. Wanwi ni no no akakoye emfaso ama company no. Enti aban ne company no obi ka me sure say bosume bia no those companies file their tax returns. They do their tax payment. Me very sure so much here. And yes, also the Nigeria for Muniache na betting companies for also we need it. And yes, yen no me no kwa the child mu wini. Ebi on ko beti me twa be 1,000 cedi na o wi need. O say ade na ko ye try your luck. Nje yes we try na we wini. So we are where we no. E no co company ni no betting company ni ho. Na buy ajeto wo so wo. So that also near Uber be winning now we're winning and so about loss to the company but be income amawo individual no be now try na winning no about income amawo say ho and na buy so obeji income tax kakra both ends no I think say nchemu e wo ho no
boys na dwo
yeah and pay me bi pa na ragofi no kre
boys say ja
I o sample views na banwa only about 20% and ejitum say income into no about just to enyefe about 80% of the guys are not too happy with the decision that is being rolled out today na ni nyina no brakofi mesre say meaning baby afford me free because it is a problem we have been talking you see. And yes, nipa nti asemase o. Sabe, na me boy nyina de nti ase ekro na ma ye nyina se back of it asemase a. It is to assume that any acquisition for smart so beti asemase. Where the difference come, the bia na mane kana kwa de ni ye. Back of it so no ati ase. Into watinan kran ememra na ye adwuma. Whether acquisition for smart ati ase o, whether on ti ase o na ye fi ase. Where is the communication around all these things? And now, and usually, the communication and the explanation should have come way before the implementation of the ADI. One thing too many, Dragofi. Okaya, Momunsoba, Ubia, Tehofe, ministers, MPs, they didn't know. There are many of the things that comes and instead of abia and kahunchire mu no be balance and adwumadi na fiase no minim adwumadi no mum di kan fiase ansa na no pay di hun komoyi ebi kro baburu bi. This is the first time he is hearing a certain level of explanation. And so many back of it, and I'm not the one who brought the tax. I have only read and have formed my own understanding of the tax. And I know where are the framers of those tax? Why don't they think so we back Akoma FM? Back of it, now one more time. Now I put the questions to them. No much him, my mobile unit here, 1 month before the implementation of the tax. And unfortunately, once again, the tax will go before the explanation will follow. The friend of reactionary communication, firefighting communication. Emwa bakofi emwa. Enti bibiania. Meaning so mupa mo honso a mo makonya no so ba no mo so mo mo asemo.
Prof you ani a omo zizamen. We zizamen to mpe do be kasa. Osisi me na won kasa. Na men fantina aba. Wasam fantina aba.
Oh, wasam fantina aba.
We zizamen to mpe do be kasa mpo.
Bakofi. It's a very simple thing. Acceptance. Acceptance takes some time.
Yeah.
Fight their mind. Let them accept it in their mind that this thing is going to happen. Then you start the process. Once start the process now, they enter into an arena called denial. They may want to even behave as if the tax hasn't come. Some of them will say, the denial period will become very short if the before implementation communication in Chechemuno, echo from ye manko for acceptance will be a certain level. Then you shorten the denial period. Then after the denial period, people will go back to the game and now they will be doing it having accepted say Sana Ebebano. Now, Mamma Classroom Francis will say, yeah, ha, Joe Ghana, ha, Emma, a month will be bringing Akoma Pani of the Panfen Chiato. Feno. Targeted taxation and that's a specific taxation. Nobody knows the target of this taxation.
Yeah.
Nobody knows the specific output or impact of this taxation. This particular tax is a specific tax. It is meant towards the development of the game. Because say, standard. I bet you hosted so much. I think Ghana and Nigeria World Cup qualifiers. It was so pathetic. Say Republic of Ghana. Because Takra de Sipon Sports Stadium, Koko Hesenia, annual in the Sisio. Because Tamale Koshe, Yakuma Sikra, almost a year cry, and I qualify for FIFA standard, the Ukra, and no crap to say. Coast football at the same. Division 1 at the same, Division 2 to say. Your Premiership, you cry, Brakofi, and no crap to say. It was sports for the bar. Ask them so that we acquire sports related taxation there. Why don't they set some targets? These are the impact or the expectations Ghanaians should expect. We are going to re-inject it back into the game. Maybe so. Morocco, Nomnia, Umashisha sports infrastructure, no fair. Nanka yenso at least Ghana football ya dey tinima yenim che ewa mama hodo so athletics den boxing na sisi akọ for me jama akọ temu free ho ne na nsen ya yifoi. Now we don't even know how the sporting core boxing is taking us to. Meanwhile, some time ago we got a Hall of Famer in boxing, Professor Berma Ezuma Nelson nomne mpenifo aka ye Minyaya, and with the margin and make sure that Minyaya, and this task will be a very specific task. Then we engage in fact go central pool. That's how central pool. You can't go back of you. Oh, but anyway, you better near the near and penny for the baby the Minyaya pa and can any specific task. I no cry no, and can maybe need just at one and can how much. But one of these old stories with some media. Na akwasa ne kana kwa den kakra.
Professor Smart Sapon and pay my nawase besan ba won chen but me hu wa chen dia ma me sia.
Oh brako fi me da me pa me da so fa brako fi. Me tell me afo ni.
Me dem ma me be mem sa bere wanya nkwampod na ba twa won kraman.
Brako fi da ku yemu be ni entre am outefo so you free wasa.
Ah, Prof, that's it. Professor Smart Sapon na botin kana. Hi Akoma 87.9 FM.